Okay, so we have seen LDE. We have started with the first unit, LDE, higher order LDE with constant coefficients, right? And there is the general form, phi d y is f of x. Then the two types. What is the first form? Type 1. Which type of equations? Phi d y equal to 0.
0.
Yes, that is what we have started. And then to solve this, we have to consider auxiliary equation, that is phi d equal to 0. Then we have to find the roots, that is d is equal to the values of d, the solution, right? And depending on these roots, there are how many types of solutions?
4.
4 types.
4 types of.
Yes, 4 types of solutions. So first type is if the roots are
Real and different.
yes, real and different. Do you remember how to write the solution? Y is
Yes, ma'am.
yes, C1 e raised to
E raised to m on x.
yes plus C2 e raised to
m to x.
yes plus so on up to Cn. Then second, if the roots are real and
Repeated.
repeated, very good.
Repeated.
Yes, if it is repeated twice, then how to write the solution?
Y is equal to
Even
C1 plus C2x.
e raised to m1x.
E raised to m on x.
m1x or m2x, whatever. If it is repeating thrice, then
C1 plus C2x.
2 plus
C1 plus C2x
C3x
plus
square.
C3x square.
yes, into e raised to m1x and so on, right? This is second type. Next, third type is
Real and imaginary.
third type is
Imaginary and different.
the roots are imaginary and different. Means how is the form? Alpha plus minus I beta. Yes. Then how to write the solution? Y is equal to
E raised to alpha x.
e raised to alpha x in bracket.
C1 cos x.
C1 cos beta x.
C2
Sin beta x.
Beta x. Very good. And the last type is if the roots are imaginary and repeated. Yes. Yes. So if it is repeating twice, then how to write the solution?
Y is equal to e raised to alpha x c1
Yes.
plus c2x.
Yes.
C1
C1 plus
plus
C2x.
C2x.
Into
Cos
that
beta
cos
x.
beta. Yes. Very good. As it is. Plus
C3
C3 plus
C3 plus C4x into sine beta.
Sin beta x.
Yes. Very good. And if it is repeating 3 times, means 3 constants will be here and 3 constants will be here. Right. So you are clear with this, everyone? No doubt? Can we solve more examples now?
Yes.
Yes.
ma'am.
Sure.
Yes,
Good.
ma'am.
Good. Chalo, write down the example. Solve. Solve d cube y by dx cube minus 6 d2y by dx square plus 11 dy by dx minus 6y is equal to 0. This is what is given equation. Is this the form LDE with constant coefficients?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Then how to solve? First thing is you have to convert it into capital D, right? So what is the first thing you do?
Put d by dx
Put
equal
d
to
by dx is equal to
Yes.
capital D.
Very good. Put d by dx is capital D. So for this d by dx, we are writing capital D. So it is d cube. Y is common, so let it outside. Here it is d cube y minus 6 d square y plus 11 dy minus 6 y is everywhere common, so I am taking it out, is equal to 0. Clear? Yes. Now it is of the form phi d y equal to 0. To solve, we have to consider auxiliary equation. What is auxiliary equation? D cube minus yes,
6 equal to 0.
6d square, yes, plus 11d minus 6 is equal to 0. This is your equation. Now, you have to find out the roots for this equation. So, up to 3, we can solve on calculator. So, it is order is 3, so we can do. Can we please bring out your calculator? Go to mode, press it 3 times. There is equation. Everyone is able to see. Press 1. Forget unknowns. Go ahead with the degree. What is degree here now?
3.
3. Yes. So press 3 there. Okay. As power, highest power of D is 3 here. So degree is 3. Press 3. Then it is asking you A. What is A?
1.
Where do we compare this equation with? AD cube plus BD square plus CD plus D equal to 0. Right? So A is 1. Compare. B is -6. C is 11. And D is? What is D?
Minus
Yes, -6. Very good. So A, you are writing 1 there. A question mark, write 1 and equal. Then B, write -6 and equal. 11 equal and -6 equal. Done? Can you see something there? X1?
3.
Yes,
X
that is
three.
actually D, value of D. So you are seeing 3 there and nothing above. Everyone is checking for that RI above. Is it there?
No.
No. So whatever is there up is your root. So 3. Press equal. What is next root?
1.
1. Good. No,
One.
no, yes, no RI
2.
again. Yes, very good. Again equal
No.
and 2. Yes. Every time you are checking for that sign RI. If it is there, you have to find the other part also. But if it is not there, whatever is upon your calculator is your root. Right. So these are the roots. Can you see the nature now?
Real and
Yes.
different.
Yes.
Real and different.
Yes. Real. All are real. All are different. So C1 e raised to 3x plus
C2 e raised to x.
yes plus C2 e raised to 1x plus C3 e raised to 2x. Or you can also write like y is equal to C1 e raised to 1x. Your choice. Whom to give? C1, C2 plus C2 e raised to, you can say 2x plus C3 e raised to 3x. It's up to you to whom you are giving C1, C2, C3. Both are correct. Or if you want C1 to this, then also okay. Is the general solution. Done. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No.
ma'am.
Good. Can I go next?
Yes.
Good. Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Write the next question. Try to solve. Solve 2d square plus 5d minus 12 plus 5d minus 12 y is equal to 0. So you are considering auxiliary equation 2d square plus 5d minus 12 equal to 0 and you are now finding out the roots. Please find it out and tell me. Now there is something in your Cal C A x1 x2 x3. You can just go to mode and press 1 computation and then it will be blank again, right? How to remove if you don't know, press mode and comp comp, then it will be removed. And then you can press shift mode and 3 memory clear equal and on it again and go to the solution now. Mode, go to equation, go to degree. What is degree now?
2.
2. Yes. A is
2.
2. Everyone is having calculator with you. Please raise your hands if you do not have calculator, because what I am telling you, you will just listen and you will not understand anything. Can you please raise your hands if you don't have calculator with you? Is there? As it is online, I am not there to see, okay? But you should have with you. It's important. So I guess no one is there, so everyone is understanding what I'm saying. Sure, good. So it is ABC asking you. A is 2, you told me. A is 2. B is 5. And C is, what is C?
Minus 12.
Minus 12. Press equal, you are getting something. What is the root?
1.5.
Yes, 1.5 and
Minus 4.
Minus 4.
4. Yes, very good. Or D is, if it is not 1.5 there, press equal, come to x1 again, equal, A, B, C, and then x1. Everyone come up to x1, 1.5 again, equal. Everyone is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And now press shift and can you see calculator button, sorry, CALC, and then below A, B by C button, A, B
Yes.
by C.
Yes, ma'am.
So everyone now press shift and A, B by C. Shift and A, B by C. What do you get?
3 by 2.
3 by
3
2.
by 2.
So these
3
two
by 2.
are same. Okay. So if in your MCQ you can't see C1 e raised to 1.5x plus C2 e raised to minus 4x is the solution. Or if it is like C1 e raised to 3 by 2x plus C2 e raised to minus 4x. Both are okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, because 1.5, as it is 1.5, you know, it is 3 by 2. But if it is something like 1.354 something, so you don't know actually what it is, right? 1.5 is okay, 3 by 2. So in this case, you can go shift and A, B by C, you will get whatever the value, 3 by 2, 4 by 2, whatever. So if it is there, you can write. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Good. So is the solution? Is the general solution? Write it this. Okay, next question, solve. 9d square plus 18d minus 16y is equal to 0. Can you just solve for me? Tell me roots. Consider auxiliary equation. This is the way of writing. If it is offline exam, we need to write this. But if online, then very good. You can just take it on calculator, find out roots and write the solution. But if it is offline this time, then you have to take care. It can be offline this time, I guess. So be attentive, okay? काही सांगू शकत नाही ह्या सेमिस्टरचं. It can be offline exam also. So be prepared. Good. Done. Roots. Tell me now.
0.2
by 6 and minus
6 something. So I can write 667. Okay. Next is
minus 2.66.
6666. Yes, 667 I'll write. Correct?
Yes.
Roots are nature.
2 by 3 and minus 8 by 3.
Okay. Or you can write 2 by 3 and
Minus 8 by
Minus 8 by 3.
minus 8 by 3. Or both are okay. This is okay. This is okay. If in solution it is 2 by 3 minus 8 by 3, don't get confused. Just you are solving and you are getting these values. Good. Nature. 4 types of nature are there. So for this is of the type
Real and different.
very good. Real and different. So solution is y is, every time I'm writing y is equal to, because this is in y and d is nothing but d by dx. So y as function of x, this is obvious, right? But if the variable changes, you need to take care. Okay. Solution, c1 e raised to 0.667x plus c2 e raised to minus 2.667x, or this you can write if you want, is the general solution. Is this ink color okay, or you want something different? Red is okay, or can I take different one?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay.
you can just check now the next question. Please ask if you have any doubt, okay? In between, you can stop me. solve. Is this okay or red is okay?
Red is okay.
Red is okay. Okay, write the question. Solve d cube x by dt cube plus 23 d2x by dt square plus 29 dx by dt plus 12x is equal to 0. Okay, solution. What do we do first here?
Put d by dx
d by dt is equal to capital
D by dx or d by dt?
d by dt.
Yes, d by dt is capital D. Very good. So the equation becomes 6 d cube x plus 23 d square x plus 29 dx plus 12 x is equal to 0. If we can see the common thing, it is
X.
x. Take it out. 6d cube plus 23d square plus 29d plus 12x 0. 5d x is equal to 0. Now consider auxiliary equation. Okay, this is your auxiliary equation. Now you can go to solve the values of d. Find out the roots.
Minus 1.
Yes.
Minus 1.5.
Minus
1.5.
1.5. Okay, and
Minus 1.33.
minus 1.33.
33. Okay. Okay. Everyone is getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Please check. If you are not getting, please ask me. I'm here to tell you. Everyone is getting. Good. So y is therefore the nature of the roots.
Real
And different.
Real and
and different.
different. Yes. All the real numbers and all are different. So solution. Solution. Come on.
C1
Hmm?
C1
Hmm?
minus 1 minus x.
Minus x. Okay. C2 e raised to minus 1.5x plus C3 e raised to minus 1.33x, and you are wrong.
X equal to
Yes. Yes. Why are you wrong? Roots are correct. Everything is okay. But you are wrong. Solution is wrong. Why? Because there is no y in your given question. Can you see why there? No. Here x is function of t. So it should be x is some function of t. So it is not now y. Whenever it is dy by dx, there is y is some function of x, like this comes. But if it is dx by dt, what will be the answer?
X is equal to
X is equal to function of what?
t.
T. So what can be the solution? X is equal to C1 e raised to minus 1t, C2 e raised to minus 1.5t plus C3 e raised to minus 1.33t. Is it correct now?
yes.
Yes. So think for the variables. Because it is given here. So you can't choose every time y and x. If it is given particularly x and some other, so you should write there x is function of t, because x is dependent, t is independent. Do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. Good. Next question. Can we go next?
1
1 minute. Okay. Okay, here we are thinking for the variable x and t. But if it is, the question is given 6d cube plus 23d square something, so you need not have to think for the variable. It is so obvious that it is y and x. Okay, if it is given in capital D. But if the variables are given, so need to think. D is generally dy by dx like this. It is so obvious if it is given in capital D. Can we go next now? Done? Okay, write the question, solve. D cube minus 5d square plus 8d minus 4y is equal to 0. Consider auxiliary equation. D cube minus 5d square plus 8d minus 4 is equal to 0. Roots. Tell me roots.
One, two, two.
I guess 1, 2, 2. Please tell me other people also.
1,
Yes.
2,
Correct? Correct?
one. Yes, ma'am.
Good. Good, good. Okay. So just everyone do it with me. Go to calculator. Go to degree. Degree is 3. A is 1. B is minus 5. C is 8. And D is minus 4. Okay. So x1 is 1. x2 is 2. And there is A again. Can you see that?
Yes.
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. But you are telling me 1, 2 and 2. In what, on what basis you are telling me 1, 2, 2? Because calci is showing only x1 is 1, x2 is 2, and then again A, B, C, D start. 1, 2. So how can you tell me 1, 2, 2?
As the degree is 3, there is gonna be 3
Huh.
roots.
Yes. As degree is power is 3, there are 3 roots. It's so obvious. But you are repeating 2. Why don't you repeat 3? 1. Why don't you tell me 2, 1, 1? Why you tell me 1, 2, 2 only? You told me 3 roots, correct. But why don't you tell me 1, 2, 2 instead 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1? Okay, remember, you are correct. In calculator, whatever is showing last to you, x1 is 1, x2 is 2, and there is no x3, then whatever is last is repeating. So what is last? 2 is last, right? And then again A, B, C, D start. So 2 is last, so 2 is repeating. If your calci will show you 2, x1 is 2, x2 is 1, and then it stopped and start A, B, C, D, then x2, this will be repeating. 2, 1, 1. Everyone is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So whatever is showing last on your calculator, that will repeat. Therefore, y is equal to, tell me now. Whatever I am telling you, please write in your language there. Why 1, 2, 2, why not 2, 1, 1, and what to repeat, when to repeat. If calci is not showing you 3 roots, there is the root which is calci showing lastly repeats. Okay, chal, tell me solution now.
Real different.
Real, yes. This is real, yes. These two are also real. This is real different, only one, and these two are real repeated. Yes, this is real only and different, we can say. Okay, so for this we are writing solution, and plus for this we are writing solution. So tell me now. Therefore y is equal to, for this can you write the solution?
C1 plus C2
C1 e raised to 1x.
Okay, c1 e raised to 1x. Very good. Plus this is done. Can you write for this now? 2 real and repeated, दोनदा रिपीट, दोन कॉन्स्टंट्स कलेक्ट होणार. C1 ऑलरेडी यूज झालाय, पुढचे दोन कॉन्स्टंट कलेक्ट करा. C2 plus
C2
C3
C3
plus C3x
e raised to
e raised to 2x.
2x. Very good. Or you can write this first if you want, like repeating twice. So C1 plus C2x into e raised to 2x. This is done. Now write for this 1 C1 C2 use. So next C3 e raised to 1x is the general solution. Both are okay. Correct? Are these both okay? C1, C2, C3, these are your choices. So if you are taking this first, then it goes with C1. If you are taking this first, C1, C2 goes to this. It will be having C3 then. Is that clear?
Yes.
Good. Ask me if you have any doubt. Nothing? Solve? Oh, tell me these. Waiting for your answer.
-2.
Minus
2
2
minus 2.
minus 2.
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Donda? Twice?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
good. Write it then. D is, Calci is showing you only -2, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Writing only -2 because its order is 2. So -2, -2. Whatever Calci is showing, because it has 2 roots and Calci is showing only 1, means the last is repeating itself. Nature?
Real and repeated.
Can you write the solution now?
Yes.
Please write and tell me.
Y equal to
C1
C1
plus
y is equal
C2x.
to C1 plus C2x e raised to minus 2x.
Very good. Very good. Give me 1 minute, please. Yes. So therefore, nature is real and repeated. So y is C1 donda repeat. So 2 constants C1 plus C2x into e raised to minus 2x is the general solution. Correct. So now we should write one note. Okay. This always should follow. Note. Order of LDE must be same as,
number of roots.
very good, number of roots, and it must be same to number of constants, arbitrary constants in the solution. This should always follow. Whatever is the order, if it is 3, there are 3 roots and there are 3 constants in the solution. Please note this, very important. Order of differential equation, it can be any, it can be linear differential equation, or it can be ordinary, whatever, it should always follow. No need to write linear. You can just write order of differential equation. You can remove that LDL. It is obeying for every differential equation. So order of differential equation is number of roots and is equal to the number of constants in the solution. Okay, can you just check every time, is it following? Order is 2. Come here. Order is 2. Roots are 2 and C1, C2, 2. Here. Order is 3. Highest power of D. Roots are 3 and C1, C2, C3. 3 constants. Go back again. Order is 3. Sorry. Order is 3. Roots are 3 and C1, C2, C3. Constants are 3. You can check every time it is following. If you are done writing, go to the question, write down solve. D cube y by dx cube plus d2y by dx square is equal to 0. First thing, substitution. Put. Convert it into capital D. So the equation becomes d cube y plus d square y is equal to 0. Phi dy equal to 0. So to solve, you have to consider auxiliary equation. D cube plus d square is equal to 0. Can you tell me roots? Solve for roots, tell me.
0 minus 1 minus 1.
0 minus 1.
0, minus 1 and minus.
Minus.
Please wait, don't write ahead. Please stop there. 0, minus 1 and minus 1. These are not the correct roots. Yes, I told you the last calci showing you last is repeating, right? So calci showing minus 1 last, but that is not correct in this case. So which case? If there is some common terms of D in the given auxiliary equation. So you first have to take it out. If I'll go back and show you here, there is no common term for D. Is there any term for D common? No. So in this case, whatever calci showing lastly repeats. But if there is a common term, then it doesn't obey that what calci shows lastly repeats. So your job is to take whatever is common out. So D square is common. Yes, there remain D here and plus 1 is equal to 0. Right? So what is D square but? D into D into D plus 1 is 0. So now everything is equating to 0, means D is 0. Again D is 0 and again D plus 1 is 0. Means what is D? D is 0, 0 and minus 1. Not 0, minus 1 and 1. Everyone is clear now? If there is common terms of D, then it doesn't obey that the whatever calci shows lastly repeats. It doesn't obey then. If there is common, you must take that common thing out and then you can decide which one is repeating. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So roots are 0, 0 and minus 1. So therefore, y is equal to, can you now tell me solution? Everyone, please listen to this and remember that if there is common thing from the left hand side, common terms in D, take it out first, common terms, and then solve for the roots. Otherwise, we know how to solve on calculator, but if there is common, it doesn't follows calculator. It has its own rules like common are out and equating. Then we are getting roots. If no common, then we are using calculator. Chalo. Therefore, the solution is C1,
plus C2x
yes,
plus
into,
C2 is 2 minus x.
yes, into e raised to 0x. E raised to 0x is 1. No need to write. If you are writing, okay. If you don't write, okay. Plus C3
E raised to
e
minus
raised to minus x. Yes, you can also write like this. C1 plus C2x e raised to 0x because the value is 1 plus C3 e raised to minus x. This is solution. Next question. Solve. D cube minus 3d square plus 3d minus 1 y is equal to 0. So first thing you are checking is there any common? Is there? Is there anything common? Common terms of D from left hand side from this?
No.
No. So you can go on calculator to solve this. Chalo, start solving. Go to equation, go to degree. Degree is 3, A is 1, B is minus 3, C is 3, D is minus 1. What you are getting?
1.
1. Only 1 you are getting. And if we go ahead, equal, there is A again. Cassie is showing you only 1. But can be 1 there only once?
No.
हा
Three
एकदाच
times.
असेल का? हा 1 जो आहे तो एकदाच असेल का?
No.
नो. मग किती
No.
वेळा असेल?
2 वेळा असून
3 times.
3 times.
2 or 3?
3.
3
times.
times.
Whatever is the power, that many roots are there. Because Kelsey is showing you only 1, it is repeating 2 times more. Yes, repeating 2 times more and total roots must be this number 3. Right? Correct? Everyone is getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So Kelsey एकच दाखवत होता म्हणून तो जो दाखवतोय तोच रिपीट होईल आणि किती वेळा असेल? The total must be this 3 times. So 3 times. Therefore, wise. Yes, tell me solution.
Real and repeated.
Yes, very good. Real and repeated. Tell me solution now.
Y.
C1 plus C2x plus C3x square
X square.
e raised to x.
E raised to 1x. Very good. Is the general solution. Correct? Next question. Solve. D raised to 4 minus 18d square plus 81 y is equal to 0. This is phi d equal to 0, phi dy equal to 0. So you have to consider auxiliary equation. D raised to 4 minus 18d square plus 81 is equal to 0. Can we solve on calculator this question?
No.
No, ma'am.
Because Kelsey can only solve 2 and 3 order, right? But this is having 4, so we cannot solve. Means now we have to think for the alternative solutions. How can we solve this question? So there are various ways to solve. So we go easy. First, easier. If it is like this, s square minus 18s plus 81, we can solve this. Right? Yes. So you can do is, you can substitute, put d square is some other variable. Put, say here it is s, and then the equation becomes s square minus 18s plus 81 is equal to 0. Correct?
Yes.
Yes. So now this equation we can solve. How can we solve? Either we can do this, or we have a formula for quadratic equation. Or you can solve on calculator also. There are various ways if it is power 2. So how can you factorize 81 in minus 18? Yes?
Minus 9 into minus 9.
Minus 9.
minus 9.
Yes, very good. Minus 9, minus 9. So this is one way, or go to calculator now.
9.
9.
Go to
And nine.
degree. Degree is 2. Yes, but it is in S. Just remember this. It is in S. Now, A is 1. B is minus 18. C is 81. X is 9. But X is what here? We are solving for what?
S.
Yes. Yes. Very good. S. S is 9. But it is having power 2 and it is showing you only once. How many times will you repeat?
2
2
times.
times.
5 times. Power is 2. So whatever Calci shows you 9, it is twice there as the power is 2. So S is 9 and 9. But S is what?
D square.
D.
Ultimately, we want the value for D, right? That D square we are converting to the quadratic as we can solve. We are solving for that variable S. But finally, that S is nothing but D square. So substituting back again, D square is 9 and once again D square is 9. Means what? D square minus 9 is 0 and D square minus 9 is 0. Can we solve again? On calculator. Go to equation. Go to degree. What is degree now?
2.
2. Its highest power. It is 2. A is 1. B is
0.
0.
yes. No D there means its coefficient is 0 and C is
Minus 9.
minus 9. So what you are getting? Solution?
3.
3 minus 3.
But what now? X, S, D. What now?
D.
D. We are solving for now D. This is having S, so we were solving for S there. But now it is having D, so we are solving for D. It is giving you 3. X1 and X2?
Minus 3. Minus 3.
3 and
Minus
minus,
3.
yes. 2 order 2 roots. Similar, again, same equation is there. So once again, 3 and minus 3. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
So the roots are D is 3, 3, minus 3, minus 3. Nature. How is nature? These two are real repeated.
Real and repeated.
Yes, and these two are also real and repeated. Solution for this plus solution for this. Now tell me.
C1 plus C2x
Yes,
e raised to 3x
very good.
C3 plus
plus C3 plus C4x
Yes, very good.
e raised to minus 3x.
Perfect. This is the general solution. Done. So are you getting now 4 also? D raised to 4 something. Solve. D raised to 4 minus 2D cube plus D square y is equal to 0. Just before you start, please tell me what you will do, okay? And then start. Consider auxiliary equation. d raised to 4 minus 2d cube plus d square equal to 0. Before you start,
Put d square equal to s.
okay, instead, is there any other easier way?
D square common.
Yes, perfect. Yes, if there is something common, your first job to see is there anything common, because तसं नाही केलं तर तुम्ही लास्ट टाइम बघितले काय होते, दुसरेच रूट्स रिपीट दाखवले जातात. कॉमन असेल तर तुमचं काम आहे पहिलं ते कॉमन बाहेर काढायचं. काय इथं कॉमन?
D square.
D square. Take it out. So d square into d square minus 2d plus 1 is equal to 0. So d square is nothing but d into d. Into this as it is, d square minus 2d plus 1 is 0. Now this everything is equal to 0, that are in multiplication. D is 0, d is 0, and d square minus 2d plus 1 is 0. So d is 0, 0, and solve this now. Tell me the answer, please.
1, 1.
Perfect. 1, 1. You can take it on calculator. A is 1, B is minus 2, C is 1, and check. These two are real repeated. These two are real repeated. Write the solution.
C1 plus C2.
Yes. C1 plus C2x into e raised to 0x. It's okay that we cannot write that as it is 1 plus C3 plus C4x into e raised to 1x. Here it is into e raised to 0x is there, but as its value is 1, you can ignore writing e raised to 0x. So this is your general solution. Okay, next question is given. Try it. Consider. Okay, before we need it in capital D, so put d by dx as capital D. So we get the equation d cube plus 8y, y outside 0. 5dy is 0, so we need to consider auxiliary equation. D cube plus 8 is 0. Put it on calculator. Tell me the roots now. Go to mode, equation, and degree. Degree is here 3. What is A?
Minus 2, 1.
A, you are telling me roots. Yes. A is 1. B is
0.
0. C is
0.
0. D is
8.
8. Good. So I can see there. What you can see? You can tell me now. What is D? What do you see?
Minus 2.
Minus
1.
2. Yes. Done. First is done. No RI above minus 2. Yes. So minus
No.
2. Then there is 1, but above there is RI. So 1 I'll write. And plus-
1.73i.
Yes. So 1 I'll write there, and then I'll press shift equal. So there is 1.73i. This is your second root. Now we go to equal, and we can see x3 is 1. Yes. But there is RI again. So if we press shift and equal, we will get, okay, 1 minus 1.73i. Correct? But this always comes in pair, we know. So we must write it like 1 plus minus 1.73i. Whenever it comes, it is in a conjugate pair. Correct? These are the 3 roots. It is order is 3, roots are 3, and therefore solution is, tell me solution now. This is how. Real and different, only one. Okay. And how is this?
Imaginary and repeated.
Imaginary and only once it is there. Like this. So we are calling
Different.
it yes, different. Yes, only once means different. If it is repeating once again plus minus with plus minus once again, then it will be repeating. This is only one root. Chalo, tell me solution. For this first,
E raised to minus 2x.
C1 e raised to minus 2x. Correct. This is done. Now for this. This is of the form alpha plus minus I beta. So how do you write the solution?
C2 e raised to 1 minus
E raised to 1.
E raised to 1x
1x
in bracket.
C2
C1 is done. That's
C2.
why next C2
C2
cos
1.73
x
x
plus
plus
C3
sin
sin 1.23x.
1.73x. Done. This is the solution. Chalo, homework. You must write. Okay. Please write it fast so I can give you homework. Solve. D cube plus 4d square plus d minus 6 y is equal to 0. Second, solve. D raised to 4 minus 5d cube plus 5d square minus 5d minus 6 y is equal to 0. Minus plus minus. You need to check this. Okay, I'll check. You just take it. Plus minus plus minus. It can be plus, I guess. Okay, take it plus. We'll see. If you can't solve, I'll check the values later. You just take plus 6 then. Solve. D raised to 4 plus 2d square plus 1 y is equal to 0. Okay, these are enough, I guess. Write them and try them. Okay, put your attendance. Do you have any doubt? Please ask. Done writing the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, everyone has written your attendance here. If done,